Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we're diving into a simple but essential trick, how to make YouTube TV full screen. Ever get annoyed watching your favorite shows on YouTube TV with those distracting sidebars and the clock down below?
Yeah, me too.
Don't worry, it's a super easy fix and we're going to cover it on several different platforms. In this video, we'll walk you through making YouTube TV full screen on your computer, your smart TV using the app, and even on your mobile devices like your phone or tablet. We'll cover all the bases, so no matter how you're watching, you'll be able to enjoy the full, uninterrupted viewing experience. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate it.
Alright, let's get started.
First, we'll tackle the desktop version.
Astérisque astérisque computer, desktop instruction astérisque astérisque. Okay, so you're watching YouTube TV on your computer.
This is probably the easiest one. All you need to do is look for the full screen icon. It looks like a rectangle with arrows pointing outwards from the corners. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the video player, right next to the settings gear. Click that icon, and bam!
Full screen.
To exit full screen on your computer, you can either hit the escape key on your keyboard, that's the escape key in the top left corner, or you can move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the screen again, and the full screen icon will have changed to a rectangle with inward-facing arrows. Click it again to return to the normal view. Easy peasy.
Astérisque astérisque Smart TV app instruction astérisque astérisque.
Now let's move on to smart TVs. Most smart TVs have a YouTube TV app that you can download and use. The process is pretty similar across different brands, but there might be slight variations. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV. Select the show or live channel you want to watch. Once the video starts playing, look for the full screen icon. Just like on the computer, it's generally located in the bottom right corner of the video player. Using your TV remote, navigate to that icon and select it. Boom! Full screen. To exit full screen on your smart TV, simply press the back or exit button on your remote. Usually, the on-screen controls will disappear after a few seconds of inactivity in full screen mode. Bring them back by pressing any button on the remote. The full screen icon should now allow you to exit full screen. Asterisk asterisk mobile device instructions, phone/tablet, asterisk asterisk. Alright, last but not least, let's cover mobile devices like your phone or tablet. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Choose the show or live channel you want to watch. When the video starts playing, you'll see a full screen icon, again, likely in the bottom right corner of the video player. Tap that icon to enter full screen mode. On most phones and tablets, you can also just rotate your device horizontally to automatically enter full screen. To exit full screen on your mobile device, simply tap the screen to bring up the controls, then tap the full screen icon again. It will look like the inward-facing arrows this time. You can also usually swipe down from the top of the screen to access the navigation bar and select the back arrow. Asterisk asterisk concluding remarks asterisk asterisk. And there you have it. That's how you make YouTube TV full screen on your computer, smart TV, and mobile devices. Hopefully, this video has helped you enhance your viewing experience. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.